Hello friends, B here with a video for Kat Scrappiness, and today is a really good day because we're introducing the new cardstock collection from Kat's Color Studio Premium Cardstock. Our new cardstock line was carefully selected to give crafters beautiful color, premium quality, and versatility for all kinds of paper crafting projects. The cardstock is available in 25 colors. This smooth cardstock is perfect for card bases, layering, die cutting, stamping, paper piecing, and more. Now let me introduce you to all the colors that will be available and how you can purchase them. This one right here is the bright white smooth cardstock. It is 120 pounds or 324 GSM. It is made in the USA. It is a smooth bright white finish. It's amazing. I promise you, I have it in my hands and it's wonderful. This cardstock is perfect for crisp stamp images, ink blending, alcohol marker coloring. It is also perfect for printing if your printers accept thicker cardstock. It is wonderful for sturdy card bases, clean single layer cards. This heavyweight cardstock gives your projects a professional feel while still being smooth enough for detailed stamping and coloring. Now let me introduce you to the color cardstock. We're gonna start with our reds and pinks. All the color cardstock is made in Sweden. It is 100 pounds or 270 GSM. It is smooth on both sides. Let me show you. It is smooth on both sides. It has a solid color core throughout. That means when you rip your paper, you're not going to see any white. You're only going to see the color of your cardstock. This color cardstock is designed to coordinate beautifully for card making, die cutting, layering, scrapbooking, and so much more. Here I have pinks and reds, so you can see the difference between them. This red right here is called Scarlet Bloom. This one right here, I love this one. It is called Sweet Cherry. This one right here, it's called a Berry Bliss, Rosy Glow, Cottage Rose, and Petal Pink. Here are our orange tones. This one is Pumpkin Spice and this one is Peach Sorbet. Here we have our greens and yellow. This green right here is Pine Needle. This one is Granny Apple, Kiwi Kiss, and Honeycomb. Here we have our teals, Tropical Teal, Aqua Splash, Ocean Mist, and Sea Glass. Here are our purples, Orchid Berry, Grape Soda, Sugar Plum, Lavender Mist. Here we have the blues, and they are Nightfall, Deep Sea, Breeze Blue, Coastal Blue, and Soft Sky. This cardstock is available now in the shop, and you'll be able to purchase the cardstock in different options. One of the options, white, comes in a 10-pack, 25-pack, and 50-pack. Colors come in a pick 10, which means you can pick any colors you want to create your very own 10-pack. Our assortment pack has one of each color for 25 sheets, and our double up pack has 2 of each color for a 50-pack. And friends, this is just the beginning, as even more colors will be added in the future to the shop. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure that you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you next time.